Hi guys, welcome back to the den. Little bonus video today. Those who watched the video yesterday and again maybe one a couple of weeks ago will know that Frank from Frank Shaving has been in touch, and he said to me, John, we'd like to offer you a discount code for the channel, 5% off if you use code John101, and I'd like to send you something to give away. Something for you to give away. I thought that was very kind, very generous. He said please go on the website and pick something. So I went to the website and I picked a brush, and that was it. We had a lovely conversation. Frank's a lovely man, very kind, very generous, with a nice conversation. He said I will get that sent out to you, and the post came yesterday. I got an alert saying your parcel's in transit, and I'm not awaiting anything else, so it only had to be from Frank. And the postman knocked on the door and he said to me, I've got this for you. And look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at the size of this. Now, that's a bit big, isn't it, for a shaving brush? So I can only assume that Frank has very kindly sent some other stuff. I have no idea what's in here. Let's have an unboxing and see. But first and foremost, before I go any further, I'd like to say a heartfelt thank you to Frank and everybody else at Frank Shaving for the discount code and the wonderful stuff, whatever it is that be in the box. I've thanked Frank privately, but I'd also like to thank him publicly as well. So let's have a go. There you go. We get the knife. We'll do that. All right. Okay. Set that aside there. Here we go. And I'll try and hold it up. Can you see that? That's waiting for me. Thank you once again, Frank. Very generous. I was just expecting. Let me take this. Oh, there's one here. There you go. I was expecting something about that size. There you go. From what I can see, there's 3 of them and a couple of other boxes as well. So let's go through them and see what we've got. There you go. This one. All exciting, this. Right. This may be the giveaway. First one right out the back, the giveaway. Yeah, I think it is, you know. This is the brush I picked. Oh, look at this. This is the brush I picked to give away. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. That is a 24mm Badger and synthetic hybrid knot brush. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I picked it because I've never seen a brush that marbled orange colour before, and I'm sure my camera isn't doing it justice, but that is absolutely beautiful. And that is the giveaway, guys. Video coming up in the week. So we'll pop that in there, pop that on there, and we'll put, actually, let's just, we'll put it here because I want to put it on the side here, because the side here is a bit wet. So we'll put that there, keep nice and dry. That was that. Next, out the box, there we go. This, here we go. Put that there. Check this out, guys. Look. You see, now I get excited when I see a razor stand, because I don't mean to be presumptuous. Look at that. Shaving razor, Frank Shaving Select. There you go. Can you see that on there? See, I don't mean to be presumptuous, but I can't imagine somebody's going to send you a razor stand without sending you the accompanying razor. So maybe that's what's in here. Frank Shaving. Go and check out the website. I'll put a link to frankshaving.com under here. The product lines that they're on are amazing, and they've all been good quality. I've got a couple of Frank Shaving brushes. I've got one that I used recently and one that I cannot find, but you know, but they are good quality. Let's have a look. See, I'm just gonna. Oh wow, wow, Woo, check you out. Look at that, guys. Check that out. That's absolutely beautiful. Like hexagonal shape. Let's have a look here. Wow. That's very, very nice indeed. Goes together. It's heavy. It looks like aluminium, but it's heavy. I think that may be brushed steel. I like this. Wow. Look at that. I like that. I like that a lot. That's beautiful. Thank you very much, Frank. What else have we got here? Let's go for the big one. I'm going to check this out. Here it is. There you go. Now, I don't know whether these are for giveaway or for me, Frank, but I haven't got one of these. I haven't got one of these. There you go. Check that out, guys. That's Samantha's brush, by the way. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Frank. Put that in there. I don't mean to fly through it, but I appreciate time is of the essence for some people. So, well, here we go. Look, another brush. It's like Christmas, this, isn't it? No idea what these. This is very kind, isn't it? Let's have a look. Wow. Wowee. Check this out. Check that out, guys. That's like ivory or horn or something with a beautiful matte finish on it. That knot feels nice as well. Absolutely wonderful. Woo-woo! I look forward to using these. Thank you. There's another one. Put that there. And here we go. Another one. Wow. Getting spoiled here. Thank you so much, Frank. Right, now this knot feels quite chunky, quite robust. Oh wow. Wow, check this out, guys. Check, that's like a beehive. Frank shaving on the bottom there. It's like a beehive knot. That's a 26 or a 28 millimeter. That's absolutely beautiful, that, guys. Black and blue, John's colours. Absolutely wonderful. Where's the box for that? Absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, Frank. And then last, but by no means least, what's this? Let's have a look. We can see what this is, can't we? We've got a lovely Frank shaving ball. It's like the old barbers used to have in the old barber shop. You can get that, hold that in there, whip yourself up. Now, I've had one of these and I don't use it, but it's not as good as this one. Do you know why it's not as good as this one? Look how big and wide that is. My hands are like shovels and I can get them in there quite easy. The one I've got is a lot smaller and a lot narrower. That's absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much, Frank. Now, I'll do a giveaway. I'll give some of it away. And I'm going to keep some for the channel. But there you go. That's it. That's the giveaway. Thank you very much, Frank, from Frank Shaving. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll do another video maybe Thursday. I'll see how I might do it Tuesday. I might do it earlier. But I'll do another video about the giveaway and how to enter. And I'm going to do another video with the draw for the ongoing giveaway anyway. So there'll be some videos coming up this week. So keep your eyes skinned, guys. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to Frank. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.